Hi everybody, I haven't posted a video in quite a while because I've been on holiday in Japan for a month, and with access to shops with cheap Japanese tools, I've bought back a selection of cheap Japanese tools. So first of all, we've got two Japanese wood saws. I've already got one, and these are actually available in Axminster at the moment. But in Japan they're probably around about half the price of what you'd expect to pay in the UK. So I decided to flesh out my selection with sort of a middle size and a large size saw. I find them absolutely indispensable for working with long lengths of wood. It's better than using a Western style saw. I'm not exactly sure what you'd call them, but I find it a hell of a lot easier to work with Japanese saws than just normal saws. So got the two sizes just to cover it. The other one that I've got is a small gentleman saw, which is great for small gaps. And also I have bought a selection of vessel screwdrivers. These first two are non-slip wood handled screwdrivers. The idea is that you've actually got wood built into the handles, so in slippy environments, oily environments, they'll actually still grip onto your hands well. The only problem is that they only come in JIS sizes, so Phillips size 1 and 2. You can't really get any posi or other heads. They did have flathead as well, but I didn't see the point of actually ever buying them because I don't use flatheads at all. So the other one that I bought is a manual impact driver screwdriver. The idea is that you can hit the top of the screwdriver and the mechanism inside will force the screwdriver to move around about 16 degrees on every impact, much like an electric hand tool impact driver. For all these tools, I don't really see me using them day to day, but they'll come extremely handy in the situations where I do need them, and I think I'll be thanking my past self for buying them, especially since this was only £4. These were £5 each. Worth the money. And that's pretty much it. Just a small selection of tools of what I purchased in Japan. I should be getting back to my normal wood turning videos sometime soon. And that's it for now. Bye. So yeah, when I said that I need to get back to wood turning, it was quite literal, because here is a half-complete bowl still mounted on the lathe, and it's been there for a month now. I really should get round to finishing this.